distance, and here's a quick tap taken, and now Anand under the sticks, and that's a try.
Perfectly. Swiss Tech Aluminium. ඔබත් quotation එකක් අරගෙන බලන්න.
Anand College hosts St Thomas College for this all-important fixture.
St Thomas's team sheet.
So we have the front row, Vishwa Aryavansan, Nathan Reginald, and Vishwa Akas for the front row, Shayan Nawaz and Jihan Manigasuriya for the lock forward combination, and the forward last three. The Anand College team card, the hosts.
Yes, we have Hansira, Nelula and Ashira in the front rows with Nipun and Netsara in the second row.
Barking orders to his teammates. And there we go. Sloppy start. And Anand with the ball early on.
Anand still continuing to use their forwards. There's that big center taking the ball into contact. Januga. Ball squirts out. Here's an opportunity, and will this be the first Amana Bank try? Yes, it will. In the corner goes the winger Senut by the looks of it, as he adds the finishing touch.
Romario, you have to say brilliant hands there by the Anand line. Despite these wet conditions, look at that catch. Ball did not come where he expected, but nonetheless he makes a brilliant catch and he scores in the corner. Going sideways rather. Now uses his center. Inches away. And it's come off, and that's a try for St Thomas's. Right under the sticks. Try, Mendes. How can this turn the game for St Thomas?
Archer Mendes spotting the little gap and sniping through for that Amana Bank try, as he dropped the visitors level. And now with that conversion, barged their way through, but some good hands shown as well, Abdul Hadi.
Indeed, these boys have trained really well. Despite these conditions, their hands have been quite excellent. Brilliant strike, and nails this one. Janet Chamudita, 8 points to 7. Ananda back in the lead. Stolen there. Now Mikhail Karunaratne. Says Mendes takes it quick. Now opportunity for St Thomas's.
Spotting the defenders not.
Dias gets a good connection, and that's true. St Thomas's back in the lead. Mayank Dias says, if you can do, I can do better. Especially being so close to defense. Tackler not rolling away in that instance, and here's a quick tap taken, and now Anand under the sticks, and that's a try. Amana Bank try for Anand College. Quickly taken, caught the defense snapping. What a try. Here's that quick tap.
Straight through goes the big man. By the looks of it, it's the center, Nethula Vijayawardena, who took that quick tap. So, conversion 2 is successful as Anand College reclaim the lead, and the ball emerges out. Now to the line they go. Here's the try scorer, beating a couple of defenders, gets the offload away, and here's the third Amana Bank try for Anand College. Senut is the beneficiary on that occasion. The college with their third Amana Bank try, and well, they seem to be running away with it, Abdul Hadi.
Indeed, Romario, here's a brilliant breakthrough once again by the second center. Januga created that try for Senut. And the extras are added. 22 points to 10.
Team played at it. Now the line out secured by St Thomas's as they set up a roll-in maul. The ball is at the tail of it. Reginald with it. Well, in fact, it's the skipper, Mikhail. And he goes over for the second Amana Bank try for the visitors as St. Thomas's hit back straight away. And now, easy one, Abdul Hadi.
It will be one of the very, very difficult angles here. This is turning out to be a back and forth game. You wonder how the scoreline would be at the end of the game. Now, Mayanka tries to cut down the deficit. Good connection with the ball. And he absolutely lasers it. What a kick there by Mayanka Dias.
Chatura feeds it in. Now Rehan to the line, taking it, dropping it short. Lovely move there, but well read by the St. Thomas's defenders. Unfortunately, their ruck had been formed and he had to get his hands out there. Varna Surya marched back 10 meters as well for throwing the ball. We gave Dinesh Chamuddin an opportunity and he makes no mistake. Calumek's penalty goes right through as he takes his team into the break with 25 points on their back. St. Thomas's 17 will be chasing the game in the second half. But what a game of rugby we have had. Indeed, 25 points to 17 reads the half-time score.
බෑග්වල බොරු ගණන් ගහලා පස්සේ ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් දෙන දේවල් මාගාව නෑ මහත්තයා.
ඔබේ නිවසේ පරිපූර්ණ නිමාවකට දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස් ටෙක් ගන්න ඕනේ හොඳම තීරණය.
Quite a profitable evening here as the second half has been kicked off by St. Thomas's. They will no doubt be hoping to get
St. Thomas's defense up to the task. Or are they not? And that's the try. First Amana Bank try of the second half. And that goes in favor of Ananda College. This time it's into a vision by the scrum half. He knew when to use the line and when to use his forwards. And a brilliant skip pass as well. There by Januga, the second centre. And that's a try for Ananda. They increase their lead to 30.
St. Thomas's. Pieratna drops it short. Good defense coming in. But ball has been secured. Dias throws it to the wingers. Here goes Varna Surya, but by the looks of it, there has been quite a head clash. And the yellow card follows the blue card as Imran preparing to throw in. Hits his target at the front. Rolling maul has been set up, and will this be a try? Yes, it will. Amana Bank try number 1 in the second half for St. Thomas's, and their big forwards get into the thick of the action. Good work there by the forwards as they secure the ball well, and did not have time for the skipper to join because the maul had gone by then.
And he nails that. Brilliant kick there by Mayanka Dias. 24 points to 30. St. Thomas. And that's a beautiful collection and beautiful throw. And now Ananda marching forward. An advantage in favor of Ananda as well. Referee goes to his pocket, and that's a yellow card.
Yellow card.
And now Ananda just short from the try line, inches away.
Step back.
And that's the Amana Bank try for Ananda College. By the looks of it, Semal Vimal Surya who gets that try. That has been coming for Ananda. Here's a replay of that.
And with that, I think, and with this kick, he makes it 13 points.
And that's very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous there and very, very unnecessary. Hope that it's nothing serious for this player.
Things only going from bad to worse for St. Thomas's.
Landing head.
By the looks of it.
Spear tackle. Player landing head. Red card.
Albert receives his marching orders in that number 22 jumper. And things only going from bad to worse for St. Thomas's here. Nothing really going their way. As now they are permanently reduced to 14 men. Continue to keep the ball with them. This time it's Pereira. Now to the side they go. Unfortunately loses it forward does the Thomian player, and that would be full time. Anand College have defeated St. Thomas's here at Rajagiriya. Anand College have defeated St. Thomas's and piled more pressure on them. The season is only going from bad to worse for St. Thomas's.
And here are the key stats for the game. Ananda College 37 and St. Thomas's College 24. Ananda 5 tries and 3 conversions and 2 penalties, where the Thomians registered 3 tries with 3 conversions and 1 penalty. And Swiss Tech perfect player of the match, Januga Piris, who well deserved it.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක් නැද්ද මුදලාලි? අතන කඩේ 140ක් දෙන්නම් කිව්වා.
බෑග් වල බොරු ගණන් ගහලා පස්සේ ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් දෙන දේවල් මාගාව නෑ මහත්තයා.
ඔබේ නිවසේ පරිපූර්ණ නිමාවකට දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස් ටෙක් ගන්න ඕනේ හොඳම තීරණය.